and this is
Biblio Bites.
We've got a great week coming up. We're going to give you kind of some of the highlights for what's going on at the library this week.
Yeah, so Tuesday at 6 p.m. we have story time, Beautiful Beans. We will be partnering with the farmer's market. This is for families of all ages. You'll get to come and taste black bean chocolate cake, make bean soup, explore dry beans, and grow bean seeds. Learn all about that.
Sounds fun. Every time we have story time here, THYME, story time, it's just a great program.
It's really neat.
The farmer's market does such a great job.
Yeah, and no registration's required. Just come on and show up.
On Wednesday at 6 o'clock, we've got yoga for beginners. We do ask you to register in advance for that, but bring your yoga mat, bring a bottle of water if you want, and just come on down for a free yoga class. On Thursday at 6:30, we've got a program remembering Mayo-Underwood. Mayo-Underwood was the name of the African-American school from 1929 to 1963. And it's just going to talk some former students. It's going to be here talking about their experiences with the school.
Fun.
So it's going to be just a night of remembering that part of downtown Frankfort's history.
Awesome. And then at Saturday at 11 a.m. we have Winter Luau. Just come on and join us for a tropical story time, and Hawaiian shirts are encouraged, and just come on down and have some fun. And no registration is required for this program at all.
That sounds great.
Yep.
So what are you reading this week?
So I just finished reading Summer of Lost and Found, and this is about a girl who whose last name was Dare. She was a descendant from Virginia Dare, and she spends her summer on Roanoke Island, kind of researching the history of the lost colony. And it's just really cool. It's got lots of twists and turns, and just a neat adventure.
That sounds great.
Yeah. What are you reading, Stacy?
Well, I wanted to recommend this book, The Proposal by Jasmine Guillory. This is a romance novel. I thought it was great for Valentine's Day and February. This starts out with the main character's boyfriend proposes to her on the sports cam in front of the big stadium game. Her casual boyfriend, she was completely unexpected, said no, and and then from there it just evolves into escaping from the stadium when everyone sees your failed proposal, and then she meets someone else, and it's just a really good story. So recommended.
And then I'd like to recommend a couple of picture books. Since I work on the youth services, I see a lot of picture books come my way, and there's just some really cute ones out there that catch my eye. This one's called Making a Friend, and it's just a really sweet story. He's really good at making things, this beaver, but he doesn't know how to make a friend, so in the end of the story he makes a friend. So just kind of, and then this book is a Lonesome polar bear, and it's kind of similar. The only friend he has is the snow cloud, and the snow cloud helps him out by making like snow animals, but they still don't play with him. The polar bear is really lonesome, and it ends with him meeting another polar bear, and he becomes friends with him. So just perfect stories for winter and February, and definitely recommended.
All right. Well, thank you for tuning in with us, and I hope to see you at the library.